Hey, today I am talking about the Flint and Tinder 10-year crewneck sweatshirt. I had been waiting for them to release a crewneck, and apparently so were a lot of people because they sold out in most sizes super quick, which for a made in USA crewneck that's guaranteed for 10 years and coming in at only 118 bucks, I'm not surprised that I almost missed out. I have the zip up hoodie and I have the pullover hoodie. And if you follow my Instagram page, which is at nifty_thrifty, you saw a whole lot of that pullover hoodie this winter. The fabric is just so comfortable. It's nice and heavy. The fit is great and it layers easily. I honestly just can't find anything I don't like about these sweatshirts. I just needed an option that didn't have a hood. So not only are these made in USA, the fabric is American too. It's a nice, hefty 12-ounce fleece fabric from South Carolina. It'll keep you warm as a layer in winter or on its own in those cooler fall weather, cooler summer nights. The zip-up hoodie I wore quite a bit in the summer just to kind of throw on at night. My kids play baseball, so if they have a later game under the lights and it gets cool, the zip-up hoodie comes in really handy just to wear kind of like a jacket. The seams are all reinforced for durability. The ribbing on the cuffs and the hem give it a nice structure without feeling constraining in any way. And for a crew neck, something that I find there can be a difficulty kind of balancing the size of a neck opening, but it fits great. It's easy to pull over, but it also just sits at the right spot so you can show layering. Often I'll wear a flannel or a button up underneath a crew neck, and it's just kind of nice to be able to see that collar and not have it kind of gaping wide open, which I think sometimes doesn't look as nice as this one. The fit is true to size. I'm 6'1", around 180 pounds, 42-inch chest, and I ordered a large, which is what I typically order in hoodies and sweatshirts and shirts, and this is how it fits me, exactly how I had hoped, so order your usual size and you'll be fine. So that is the Flint and Tinder 10-year crewneck sweatshirt. Everything I hoped it would be and needed it to be. Hopefully you're able to get one before they completely sell out. I did put a link in the description in case you wanted to check them out, but feel free to leave any questions in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. All right, thank you so much for watching the video.